Today we are in Joginder Nagar, Himachal Pradesh to see an amazing British era engineering marvel. A visit to this project is sure to leave any first-time tourist mesmerized and marveling over the limits of human thought and endeavor. Right now we are on the vintage haulage trolley in Joginder Nagar. In about an hour and 15 minutes, it will take us to a height of about 8,000 feet from the sea level. This is the haulage trolley. This engineless trolley is pulled up the hill on iron rails with the help of a thick steel cable. To do this work, a powerful electric motor has been installed on the hilltop. To ensure that the steel cable remains in its proper place, a large number of free wheels have been installed along the entire stretch. This steel cable needs to be replaced every 15 years. Actually, two trolleys remain tied to the two ends of this steel cable. As one moves up, the other goes down. Executed by British engineer Colonel Betty, this project became functional in 1928. Colonel Betty had a plan to bring water of Uhul River from Barot to Shannon in Joginder Nagar so that a powerhouse could be set up there. This haulage trolley was set up to carry heavy pipes and material up the hill. After about 40 minutes of ride, we have reached point 18, which is 5,800 feet above the sea level. From here we will head for the winch camp in another trolley. That place is at an altitude of 8,000 feet from the sea level. Beautiful valley, fields, pine trees and thick vegetation. The scenery around us is changing fast. Now the trolley is about to scale a steep gradient of around 38 degrees. The steel cable that had been running along the ground so far is now dangling in the air. Before beginning the steep ascent, the weight of the trolley needs to be increased so that it does not go off the rails. A heavy balance car has been attached in front of the trolley and the ascent has begun. This is the winch camp. It's a beautiful location. This is the cabin from which these trolleys are controlled. The machinery installed here is a fine example of top-class engineering. This thrilling journey has also turned out to be a very good learning experience for us.